Bayer's relationship with Europe is a very important one. We want to strengthen it. We want Europe back to growth, and we want to help catalyze that growth.
Farmers in Europe and elsewhere are very resilient, are very much forward-thinking, and are generally optimistic. But they need new tools, they need new technologies and innovation to continue to run a profitable and sustainable business.
Growth, competitiveness and urgency are absolutely essential for Europe in the future. We live in a very turbulent time, and Europe is primed for an opportunity to be a leader in the world stage.
The extremes are going up. We have either 2 wet years or 2 dry years.
I see for young farmers it's very difficult, all the administrative burdens that makes it a lot to carry, and I see that are stopping with the idea of taking over the farm.
I came here today to advertise about the digitalization evolution in agriculture and how, from the perspective of a former telecom engineer, looks like now. So it's very difficult to aggregate, to put together all this data that we collect through our tractors, through our machine.
Together, the European Commission, the Member States, the universities and business need to create an enabling environment for the kind of innovations that we as a company also try to bring forward. We have to see whether ultimately Europe will be willing to welcome innovation, and that is what we hope.